ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 39 श्लोका 8। ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्दनन्दप्रिया प्रसूतिशयने शये रुदति किञ्चिदञ्चत्पदे विबुध्य वनिता जनैः तनयसम्भवे घोषिते मुदा किमु वदाम्यहो सकलमाकुलं गोकुलम्। Word by word meaning. Hey Mukunda, O bestower of liberation. Tataha, then. Tvayi, when thou. Pashupa Mandire, in the house of the cowherd Nanda. Nanda Priya Prasuti Shayane Shaye. Nanda Priyayaha Prasuti Shayane Shete iti Tatha Vidhe. Lying on the labor bed of Nanda's wife Yashoda. Kinchitanchat Pade. Moving the legs a little. Rudati, didst cry. Vanita Janaihi, by the women folk. Vibudhya, having woken up. Tanaya Sambhave, the birth of a boy. Goshite, was announced. Aho Kimu Vadami, oh, what shall I say? Sakalam Gokulam, all Gokula. Muda Akulam, brimmed over with joy. Full meaning. O bestower of liberation, then, when thou, lying on the labor bed of Yashoda in the house of Nanda, didst cry, shaking thy legs a little, the women folk woke up and announced the birth of a boy. Oh, how can I describe it? All Gokula brimmed over with joy. Note: Bhagavata Skanda 10, chapter 5, verses 1 to 16 are condensed in this stanza. Om Tat Sat.